Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to create a text animation on your iPhone. The application we'll be using for this is Testro. First you have to go to your app store to get the Testro. After getting the Testro, open the application. Once you open the application, this is what you will see. Tap to enter text. Enter the text. Let's just make use of welcome. Now welcome. Alright, done. After making the use of welcome, just press display button, then create test video. Creating test video, you will ask to select the size or the ratio you want to use. Maybe you want to use it for YouTube, Instagram or Facebook. You can just choose. Now let's make use of YouTube, which is 16:9. After selecting, just press this arrow here, then you continue. You have it this way. Now you can now make use of the setting. This style is used for changing the intro of the text. You can make use of this and change everything as well. Bullet, show, magic line. Let's make use of this. Then color, you can change the color as well. Change to blue. The background color, this is just the background color. You can make use of pink in any other color. Now let's make use of this blue. Maybe you want to make use of single color, not using ingredient color. Then change to single color and select. You have it, and you can just change to any color. Now let's proceed to text or font. Let's proceed to font. Changing the font. You can change the font to any of your choice. We have this, yes, and more. Let's just use of this. And speed, the speed of the text. By increasing the speed, this means you are making it slow, and by decreasing, you are making it fast. Now let's make use of 0.5. Then transparency. The transparency works when you for the background. You see, just make use of this, and now let me reduce it to see. Now edit text. Maybe you want to change the text, or you wish to. Alright, let's just change to practice. Okay. See, we have it this way. Now image, or you want to change. Let us say you want to add a music. Just make use of this, then change the music. Now you can change the music. Let's make use of this. Or better still, let's change it. But we'll be using acoustic guitar. Now overlay. The overlay works for these shapes. You can change this. See, now we have different type of shape here. Now, and this is now. Let's make use of this. Now, see, transparency, so adjusting the size or the opacity. Okay, we have it this way. Now, let's just save the video and see. Click on save, then the video begin to save. Click on save, and the video begin to save. Now save to gallery, and that's all. This happens. Now you can perform more example. Then you move to Inshot application to join everything. Let us say you want to make use of image as the background, not using color or solid color. Just come to image and you select from your gallery the image you wish to use. Let's just make use of this. Then we go. And now let's just preview it and see. You see? Now we select the size. See, we have this, which is welcome. Now once we are using this, we have to change the blue color. We have to remove it a little bit. Now let's just check and see. This way, and just change it to any color. Let me use of white. Now this one is working. See, anyhow you want to just change the color, and you can proceed. So once you add the image, now let's check music. Changing the music as well. You can just come to here and you select maybe big or old. Now we just reduce volume. Then acoustic guitar, I would like to use acoustic guitar. Then you can proceed. Then overlay. The use of overlay is used for changing the, as you can see, as it will rise. You can see the effect of the overlay on the screen. Or reduce it this way. Now just make it 100. Then as well, you can just make use of anyone you wish to use. See, when we are making use of music, you can make use of this. And for this logo, we just make use of this. Now I would like to change the text since we are using a logo. Now let's change the text to Rachi. Oh my god, Rachi. Kick. Yes, then done. Got this. Now changing the font as well. You have to change the font. Get with this. Change this. Okay. Now changing the font as well. You can now change the style. Yes. Change the style. Split. Yes. You can make use of this and more. Just make sure you make use of something that is very nice. Now to save. After selecting everything, there is one more thing I wish to explain to you, which is this text row showing and changing to tap to remove. Once you click on tap to remove, it will ask you to make a payment for you to be using the application without the watermark. Here is it. You see, you just have to make payment, but not necessarily making the payment. Once you finish it, you can just carry it to Inshot application, then you remove the watermark. Now after getting this, you can now save it. Once you are saving, you will have this message: your design is being prepared, please wait. This is only useful for iPhone user. You can make use of this. Now once you finish saving, exit. You see that? Okay, now let's assume you want to make more clip or more you want to make more of it. Just click on the test, then you edit the test, then you click on continue. This way you can make changes on other things as well. Now, and that is all about the text row. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.